Hello, here is another example of a word problem on standard form. In this example, we are told a scientist measures the thickness of a cell membrane to be 0.000456 millimeters. Now we are to express this measurement in meters to standard form of 2SF. SF here means significant figures. Now let's solve it. So here's the solution. The first thing we want to do is to write this in standard form. So when we have 0.000456, this becomes, now we pick the first number here where we have, the first non-zero is 4. Then we put a decimal point and then 5, 6. And we divide this by, now, 1, and then the number of zeros that follow will be the number of digits up until this 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. So that would mean that we would have it as 4.56 divided by 10 raised to the power of 4. Now when we change this into the negative index, that will give us 4.56. Let me make this point clear. Okay, so there's a decimal point here. So 4.56 multiplied now by 10 raised to the power of negative 4. And this is in millimeters. So I'll use the symbol mm. Now a hint we are given is that 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. So that is, if you are converting from millimeters to meters, you have to divide by 1,000. So to convert from mm to m, that is millimeters to meters, we divide by 1,000. So we will then have 4.56 times 10 raised to the power minus 4, all divided by 1,000. And that will mean we have 4.56 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by, now this in index form, at the negative index form will be 10. Now you know this is raised to the power 3, so it will be minus 3. And this will be in meters. Now, when we solve this, we get 4.56. Now, if you look at these two, they have the same base index. And the law of indices say when you have similar base index multiplying into each other, we then add their powers. So this will be times 10. Then when we add the power, we'll have minus 4 plus minus 3. And this will give us 4.56 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 minus 3. That is, our answer is 4.56 times 10 raised to the power minus 7 meters. Now recall we are told to do this to two significant figures. So if we are doing it to two significant figures, it means we'll count the first two non-zeros. And we have 4 and 5. Now the next digit is 6, which means we are going to round up. That is, we are adding 1 to this. And when we add, we'll have 4 points. Now 5 plus 1 will give us 6. So we have 4.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 7 meters. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.